Before buying Facilitate Pro for your church management, there are 12 things you need to know to make an informed decision. While Facilitate Pro offers some great features, there are a few factors to consider before committing, especially when compared to other popular church management software options. Let's dive right in. The first thing you should know is that Facilitate Pro provides an extensive suite of features to help you manage your church. From member management to event scheduling and donation tracking, it offers an all-in-one solution. However, compared to some competitors, it may feel like it has a steeper learning curve for new users, so make sure you're prepared for a bit of training before getting started. Next thing, the user interface. While Facilitate Pro's interface is functional, some competitors, like Breeze or Planning Center, offer cleaner, more intuitive designs that might be easier for your team to navigate without much effort. The design can impact how efficiently you're able to use the software. The third thing is pricing. Facilitate Pro's pricing structure can be a bit complex, and it's worth comparing it against the competition. While it offers a good range of features for the price, other options like Tithe.li or ChurchTrack might have more flexible pricing, especially for smaller churches. The fourth thing is its integration with other tools. Facilitate Pro does integrate with a number of third-party tools, but not as many as competitors like Planning Center. If you rely heavily on integrations for your workflows, you might find this a limitation. Next up, mobile app functionality. Facilitate Pro does offer a mobile app, but it's often noted that the mobile experience lags behind other platforms like Breeze or ChurchSuite, which provide more polished mobile options for both staff and members. The sixth thing is customer support. Facilitate Pro's support is solid, but not the best in the market. Competitors like Planning Center and Tithe receive higher marks for faster response times and more comprehensive support resources, which is crucial if your team runs into issues. The seventh thing is ease of use. While it provides a lot of features, the platform can sometimes be overwhelming. If you're looking for something that's user-friendly and quick to implement, you may want to consider alternatives like ChurchTrack or Realm, which focus on simplicity. The eighth thing, the customization options. Facilitate Pro offers customization, but in some cases, it may not be as flexible as other tools in the market. If your church needs a highly tailored experience, something like Planning Center or Fellowship One might give you more control over customizations. Next, let's talk about reporting. Facilitate Pro provides reports, but they're not as detailed or customizable as other solutions like Breeze or Tithe.li. If in-depth reporting is critical for your church's operation, you might find these other options more suited to your needs. The 10th thing is the donation management system. Facilitate Pro does offer donation tracking, but some other software, like Tithe.li, provide more robust giving features with better integration into your financial systems. If donations are a significant focus for your church, you may want to consider these alternatives. The 11th thing to know is the scalability. If your church is growing rapidly, you might find that Facilitate Pro doesn't scale as easily as other software like Realm or ChurchSuite, which are better suited for larger, more complex organizations. Finally, Facilitate Pro does offer a free trial, which is great for testing before committing. However, while it's a solid solution for smaller to mid-sized churches, you may find that other software like Planning Center or Breeze are better suited for churches looking for a more seamless, comprehensive experience. It's a good option for churches looking for an all-in-one solution, but if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.